Beeswax candles are a great alternative to the more common paraffin wax candles. Beeswax is a natural and sustainable material, which means that it has no chemicals or additives. Beeswax candles also emit a pleasant smell and have a softer, warmer glow than other types of candles. This makes them perfect for use in bedrooms or living rooms, where you want to create a relaxing atmosphere. There are 3 different types of beeswax candles. Hand-poured, where the candle is made in small batches by pouring the wax on top of a wick and then placing it into a container to cool down. Handmade, where the candle is made using a beeswax mold and melted wax. Machine-made, which is a process of creating candles using machines. Honey candles are just one of the many types of beeswax candles that exist. They are usually made using beeswax mixed with honey. Different colors of beeswax can be mixed with different colors of honey. Honey candles tend to burn hotter and have a stronger scent than other types of beeswax candles. Beeswax candles offer a number of benefits that other types of candles do not. They are smokeless, they are all natural, and they burn longer. Beeswax candles are a natural and eco-friendly alternative to other types of candles.